Good morning, dear children. Can you hear me? Okay. So yesterday we were doing problems related to area of trapeziums, general quadrilaterals, etc. So let us continue the problems from exercise 11.2. Okay, you can write the question. The floor of a building consists of the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. If the cost per meter square is rupees 4. See, the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. So each tile is in the shape of a rhombus and the measurement of their diagonals are given as 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Such 3000 tiles are there and you have to find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Cost per meter square is rupees 4. So what you have to find here? What you have to find? We have to find the area of the floor. So for that, first let us find the area of one tile. Area of one tile. The tile is in the shape of a rhombus. So you have to find the area of the rhombus, and it is half into D1 into D2. Find out this. D1 is the first diagonal, which is given as 45 centimeter. D2 is the second diagonal, which is given as 30 centimeter. Substitute the values and find the answer. Okay, it is 675 centimeter square. Now this is area of one tile. How can you find the area of the floor? How can you find the area of the floor? Area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. How can you find the area of the floor? How many such tiles are there? 3000 tiles. So area of the floor is equal to 675 into 3000. This much centimeter square. See, we have to change this centimeter square to meter square, because it is given here that if the cost per meter square is ₹4. So we have to change this to meter square. For changing this to meter square, one centimeter can be changed to meter by dividing by 100. Okay, centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. So what we have to do here is 675 into 3000. 1 centimeter is changed to meter, then the other centimeter is also changed to meter. Centimeter square. This equals, find the answer to this. Is this clear? Changing centimeter square to meter square. Centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. So here first centimeter changed to meter, the second one changed to meter. It is 100 into 100. Can cancel 2 zeros here. From here 1 0, then by 5. So cancelling these two zeros and here 1 0, you will get this as 675 into 3 divided by 10. This much meter square, let this be. And now this is the area of the floor. Now we have to find the cost of polishing. Cost of polishing the floor is equal to cost of polishing the floor equals 675 into 3 divided by 10. This is the total area. This multiplied with cost per meter square. So you can cancel this here. Do the simplification in the last step only. It will be easy for calculations now. You can cancel this with 2 5s here. Then with 5. So the answer is rupees 810. So let us do another one. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square, 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. Find the length of the side along the river. Find the length of the side along the river. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. So you have to draw a figure. See, he wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. So you have to draw the figure for that. A trapezium shaped field. And it is given that its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. One side of this field is a river and the other side is a road. So here in this side a road is there and here in this side a river is there. And it is given that side along the river is parallel to and twice. This is parallel to the side along the road and it is twice the side along the road. So if this side is A, what will be the measure of this side CD? It is given that these two are parallel and this side is twice AB. So if the measure of this side is A, what will be the measure of this side? It is equal to 2A. Okay, this is equal to 2a. If this side is a, then this side will be twice this a. It is 2 times a, 2a. And given that area of this is 10,500 meters square. It is given that area of this trapezium shaped field is 10,500 meters square. And one more thing is given, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. The perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. This is also given. So h is equal to 100. Then the two sides are a and 2a. So we can apply the formula here. Half h into a plus b is equal to 10,500. Then half into height is 100. This is a plus the second side is 2a. So this is equal to 10,500. And you can cancel these two. 50 into a plus 2a is 3a. This is equal to 10,500. Find the value of a from this. So what's the value of a? A is equal to, so you are getting a as 70 meter. Then what about the question is find the length of the side along the river. Length of the side along the river equals length of the side along the river equals you'll get the value of a as 70. Therefore, length of the side along the river. Length of the side along the river equals how to find it? How to find out this? Length of the side along the river. Seventy into 2. Okay. It is 2 into 70, which is equal to 140 meter. Now the next question. Top surface of a raised platform. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon Find the area of the octagonal surface. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Octagon means 8 sides. So it is octagonal surface, and it is given that this length is 11 meter and the side of this octagon is 5 meter. Since it is a regular octagon, all the 8 sides are equal. So it is 5 meter. And here the perpendicular distance is given as 4 meter. So here this length is given as 11 meter. This perpendicular distance is given as 4 meter and this side is given as 5 meter. See here, we can divide this octagon into 3 parts. First one is here. This is in the shape of a trapezium, isn't it? This first part is a trapezium. This is a rectangle and this is also a trapezium. Is it clear? We are dividing the octagon into 3 shapes here. First one is a trapezium, the second one is a triangle, and the third one is also a trapezium. Since it is a regular octagon, this first figure and the third will be having the same area. Okay, these two will be having the same area. So we have to find the area of one trapezium, multiply it with 2. Then we can find the area of this rectangle and add along with this. Okay, so let us write this as figure 1, this as 2 and this as 3. Let us find the area of first figure. Area of figure 1. A is equal to half h into A plus B, where see this is the side of this octagon, and since it is regular, this is also equal to 5 meter. So A is 5, B is 11, and H is 4. So we can find this half into 4 into A is 5 plus B is 11. Find out the answer. Is it clear? What's the answer? It is equal to 32 meter square. Okay. 32 meter square. So this third figure will also have the same area. Therefore, area of figure 3 will also be equal to 32 meter square. Then area of figure 2. How can you find the area here? How can you find the area? This is in the shape of a rectangle. In the shape of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length into breadth, which is equal to length is 11 meter and breadth is 5 meter, which is equal to 55 meter square. So the total area is equal to 32 plus area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3. So it is equal to 119 meter square. So if such figures are given, you can divide it into small figures for which we can find the area. And then find their sum to get the total. Okay, now another question. There is a pentagonal shaped park . As shown in the figure. for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Divided it into two different ways. Figure is this is 15 meter and the total height is given as 30 meter. The total height is given as 30 meter. And now let us see how they divide this. She divided it like this. And the second one, Kavita, divided it like this. Find the area of this park. Find the area of this park using both ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you say how Jyoti calculated the area? See here. What is this shape? What about this shape? Okay. Very good, Anekha. Jyoti calculated it by finding the area of two trapeziums. So here both the trapeziums are same. So you can find the area of a trapezium and then multiply it with 2. Okay, so this equals area of the park. Area of the park equals 2 into area of trapezium. So this is equal to 2 into area of trapezium is half h into a plus b. So this can be written as 2 into 1 by 2 into height here is, this is the height, this is the height here, and it is half of total length is 15 and this height is 15 by 2. It is 15 by 2 into A is 15 and this is given as 30. The total length is given as 30. So it is 15 plus 30. Calculate it. So Jyoti calculated it by finding the area of two trapeziums. So we can find the area of one trapezium multiplied with 2. What's the answer? 337.5 centimeter square. Okay, I think it is. Three 37.5 meter square. Okay. Okay, right. Now the next one is, this is how Jyoti calculated the area. Now we have to find how Kavita calculated the area. How did she calculate this? What about the second figure? How did she calculate this one? Give your answer. How did Kavita calculated the area? Area of square plus area of triangle. Okay. Area of the figure equals area of the park equals area of square plus area of triangle. So area of the square is a square plus area of the triangle is half bh. This equals area of the square. See, here it is 15. This side is 15. This side is 15. This is also equal to 15. So it is 15 square plus half into base of the triangle is base of the triangle is 15, total length is 30, and here it is 15, so the perpendicular height is also equal to 15. So half into 15 into 15. You can find out the answer. So you will get the same answer, 337.5 meter square. If you can suggest some other way, you can do it. Okay, other than these two, if you are having your own ways, you can do it. And do the question number 11. Question number 11 as homework. Exercise 11.2, question number 11. Do it as homework. In this chapter, we have to learn only up to this. The remaining portions are reduced. Okay, in the reduced syllabus. So it is deducted from the syllabus. In this chapter, we have to learn only up to this. So with this, the chapter is over. I hope you liked the session. If so, press the like button. Thank you for joining.